Building a one-page landing page is going to help you create that recognition online if you are building a personal brand, maybe a portfolio, or just working on your own business. So it is going to be really helpful. Let's just begin how to create that one-page landing page. First of all, what you need to do is head over to your plugins section from the left side of your dashboard of WordPress and add two plugins. So you are not going to be needing a couple of plugins. Just install two plugins and you will be good to go. Search in here for Elementor just like this and install that plugin. The first one that is going to be showing up here, as you can see, and the second one that we need is going to be Seed Prod. So you can install that for starting to build your landing pages and selecting themes. Once you have these, it's time to head back to dashboard, and now we need to select our theme for our landing page. So I'm going to be selecting that. So head over to your appearance, so you can see we have that, and head over to themes. You can select any theme from this section. If you cannot find any good theme in your collection, you can click on add theme option and choose a theme that you are going to be liking. So you can install literally anything from here. All you need to do is click on to anything that you like for example this one, and click on install on top. So once you have your theme ready, it is going to be showing something like this, and you can see this interface in black, and this is due to the Elementor plugin that we installed. So now we are ready to work on our theme. So I recommend you choose a theme with only one page, since we are going to be working on single page. And let's just begin. So first of all, what I can do is change this image over here. I can click onto this image and select a file. So I already created a folder where I added multiple different elements to add onto my website over here. So I'm going to be first of all choosing this profile image for my landing page and click on select. Looking pretty good. Then we can change our logo as well. So you can see this is the image for logo. Let's just keep it the same logo for now, and I'm going to be changing the name. So let's just say we have our name. Okay, so we got our profile picture customized and our name customized as well. I'm going to be changing these as well. So let me just quickly make some changes and I'll catch you up in a moment. Or you can see I have modified pretty much all of the text which needed to be done. So you can also modify according to your own way. If you want to make, let's just say this color, maybe apply some different underlining, italics, you can easily do it. So this is really simple to do and really fun as well. So once you modify all of the fonts, it's time to change the images. So let me add in here my own images. So I'm going to be changing this, and of course I'm going to be choosing another image. So let's just say I want to upload files again and choose this particular image. So let's just see how it is going to be looking. Click on select, and now it should be uploaded. You can see looking really good. So you can see how nicely customized our page is coming up. You can change this carousel or this set of images as well. You can remove these already existing ones, and I'm going to be uploading more. So you can add to gallery, you can upload files, and then click on select files and choose the rest of the images. So they are going to be added in there. You can see they are now added. So click on add to gallery. Once everything is uploaded, click on add to gallery, and these images are added. Click on insert gallery and just wait for a couple of seconds, and yeah, you can see now it is going to be changing. So make sure to keep all the images of a same resolution. You can edit them on Photoshop or any editing software, so you are not going to be having this kind of issue where the canvas or the background is a bit larger than the actual image. So yeah, you got the point right. Now it's time to add in here, like for example I want to add in here email collection section or element. You can see this looks really good. So click on this plus icon, and for this you can also use ChatGPT to integrate your own elements in here. So head over to this plus icon on top, and I'm going to be adding in here a code. So search in here for code. I'm going to be adding HTML for the coding, and I have already written a code, so I'm going to be pasting that. It is just a code that I got from ChatGPT over here, so you can do that as well, and that is going to be adding much more professional touch to your already nice looking landing page. You can see we have mailing list already added. You can subscribe, add in here the email, and boom, it is going to be working really good. So you can collect emails. Now finally it's time to add, like for example, if you want to add any kind of YouTube portfolio in here, you can do that as well. So first I'm going to be adding in here a text, and let's just say watch my videos below, something like that. The possibilities are endless. And then you can add in here another section actually below, so I'm going to be dragging this on top. By the way, you can easily use these dots to move your stuff around, and you can see it is now added. So let me just move this above as well. Now this is looking good, and add in here another element, which is going to be a video, of course, and you can easily copy paste from your YouTube channel. You can see the link on the left side of your screen, so head over to YouTube really quickly and copy your channel's YouTube link if you have that. So I highly recommend you get any YouTube channel created, as it is going to be helping your business even more. So let's just say these are your videos. Copy the link, go back to your page, and in here you are going to be pasting the link, and with that, one page landing page is created. Everything is almost customized. You can add in here your logo if you want. I currently do not have any logo, but yeah, you got the point, right? Now if we want to view it on a cell phone device, you can see on top we have different resolutions available. This is how it is going to be looking on a tablet. I think this is really good. Let me actually show you guys this once it is published. This is the mobile view, and highly responsive and super effective on every single device on which the website is going to be viewed. So let's just click on publish and see it in the front end section. Alright, so this is a design that we came up with, and I think this looks pretty decent. I know a few more changes needed to be done every here and then, and yeah, so once you add all these changes, this is how it is going to be looking. And if you want to see the mobile view, let me just show you that as well. So this is going to be the mobile preview as well, and yeah, I think this looks pretty decent. Let me scroll through, and yeah, so this is pretty much it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video.